Welcome back to Cooking with Hotshot, and today we're making ribs. So first, I'm putting a little soy sauce all over the ribs so that the spices will stick. I like to dry rub my ribs with some salt, garlic powder, paprika, a lot of chili powder, and brown sugar for sweetness. This is all to taste, so feel free to season as much or as little as you please. And now it's time to cook. So to start that process, we're gonna need a little fire. One thing about me, I really love fire. I just find it so beautiful and so relaxing to watch the flames dance, and any opportunity I get, I love to cook things outside on top of a fire. Not only is it beautiful, but it makes everything taste so delicious. See, isn't that so beautiful and satisfying to watch? We don't want too much direct heat on the ribs because they're best cooked slow and low. So we're gonna let the fire die out a little. Hi, Felix. We're gonna put the ribs on the grill and start the cooking process. These ribs should cook for about 3 to 4 hours on low heat. The ribs are almost done. We're about 30 minutes out, and it's time to create the crust. I'm gonna start with some Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. And I'm just going to lacquer both sides with the sauce about every 5 minutes to create a beautiful crust. I'm using a pastry brush to spread the barbecue sauce evenly over the entire outside. I like to do this process about 4 to 5 times in the last 30 minutes of the cook. We'll be taking them off the heat very, very soon. The ribs are all done and looking super delicious. Beautiful color, crust, and smelling amazing. Now it's time to try them. Honestly, super good. Very flavorful, and the bone came clean off the meat, which is always a good sign. There's the perfect balance of spice, salt, and sweetness. Thank you guys so much for watching. What do you guys want to see me cook next?